Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Culture Carton. Culture Carton is a monthly subscription box for men. This is their standard box, which includes one book each month as well as a curated assortment of lifestyle items. This box is $45 plus shipping. I do have a coupon code that'll get you 20% off your first standard box. I'll put that down in the description. It's TREE, all caps, just that. They do also sell just the book for $16 or just the lifestyle items for $35 plus shipping. The discount code does not account for those. All right, so this is their April box. Super stoked. Is it their April or their March? This is the March box. I'm really behind. Like I said before, I think I said it a million times on my channel, my site was broken for like almost a month. It was really disappointing, kind of devastating for me. But I'm back on track and I'm trying to bang things out here. So anyway, I love this box. Even as a woman, I love this box. I can use most of the items, even if they're men's, and what I don't use, I pass on to my husband or I pass on to friends or family or whatever like that. All right, so we're gonna get in here, and I read a lot of the books that come. Some of them I've read, some of them not. All right, so this is the Defoe box, but we're gonna look at that at the end. It does list all the retail values as well. So there's that. All right, first up we have a tie. This is like a tweed. Isn't that cool? This is from Twillery. I love that. And it feels like tweed or like, you know, a heavy duty material. I'm going to keep it in the plastic. So there's that. All right. Then we've got Everett cold weather accessories, texting glove, one size fits all. Oh, yay. You know what? I have a pair of texting gloves, but since I got the new iPhone, they don't work on it. And I don't know why, so hopefully these work on it. This is from Gloves International. They're 95% acrylic and 5% elastane. They're navy blue, and then they have a gray. The fingers are that like gray color. Only the three. The texting fingers, I guess you'd call them. All right, then we have got something from Bespoke. Ooh, they're cufflinks. Here they are. These are cool. They're silver, and then the bottom 2/3 is like a matte, and then the top has like some glossy silver stripes. So those are neat. These are fancy. There's that. Then we have English Laundry Oxford Blue. Oh, it's a men's cologne. What is that? It's alcohol free. I already have perfume on myself. Ooh, it's very handsome. Is that a word that you describe perfume with? Or not perfume, cologne. It's like musky, but also has like, I smell like aqua in it. Does that make sense? Aqua? Do you guys know what I mean when I say that, or am I just sounding crazy? Who knows? All right, guys. Let's get to the book. This month's book. Ooh, look at the cover. So this, we also received a Sherlock Holmes that had a similar cover style. This is Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, which I've never read. I know it's a classic, so I'm excited for that. I'm gonna look at the insert now to tell us more about the book and the prices of the items in the box. So that's everything that you get for $45. It's a really nice assortment. It makes a great gift for Father's Day, which it'll be here before you know it. This month's items are a breath of fresh air and an invitation to start dressing better. Again, first a classic yet modern tie from Twillery featuring a brown herringbone design. Herringbone, there we go. Next, a travel size portion of cologne by English Laundry. This sophisticated blue scent will be sure to draw compliments from anyone in your present. Also a pair of brushed formal cufflinks from Bespoke 2112. These are the perfect subtle addition to any formal outfit. Finally, an answer to the modern dilemma of using technology during cold weather, a pair of texting gloves from Everett. All together, these products will add sophistication and class to any outfit. Our book this month is Robinson Crusoe. This classic explores the story of a man lost on an island and how a person can overcome loneliness and desperation. This collector's version will make a splash on your bookshelf. All right, so Robinson Crusoe is $17. The Twillery tie is $29. The English Laundry fragrance is $20. The cufflinks are $14. The gloves are $12 for a total value of $92 in this box. I think that's really, really good. I will link down below to Culture Carton. I'll put that coupon code down there as well. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.